Charles Babbage, 1792 to 1871. The English inventor Charles Babbage worked out the principles behind the general purpose digital computer a full century before the development of the large modern electronic calculating machines. A machine he designed, which he called the analytical engine, was capable in principle of doing everything that modern calculators can do, though not nearly as quickly, since the analytical engine was not designed to operate electrically. Unfortunately, because 19th century technology was not sufficiently advanced, Babbage was not able to complete the construction of the analytical engine, despite the expenditure of a large amount of time and money. After his death, his extremely ingenious ideas were nearly forgotten. In 1937, however, Babbage's writings came to the attention of Howard H. Aiken, a graduate student at Harvard University. Aiken, who had himself been trying to design a computing machine, was greatly stimulated by Babbage's ideas. With the collaboration of IBM, Aiken was able to construct the Mark I, the first large general purpose computer. In 1946, 2 years after the Mark I went into operation, another group of engineers and inventors completed the ENIAC, the first electronic calculating machine. Since then, advances in computer technology have been extremely rapid. Since calculating machines have had such a great impact on the world already and are likely to prove even more important in the future, I was tempted to include Charles Babbage in the main section of this book. After careful consideration, however, I concluded that Babbage's contribution to the development of computers was not significantly greater than that of Aiken or than that of John Mauchly and J.P. Eckert. For that matter, at least three of Babbage's predecessors, Blaise Pascal, Gottfried Leibniz, and Joseph Marie Jacquard, made contributions that seem to have been comparable in importance to Babbage's. Pascal, a French scientist, mathematician, and philosopher, invented a mechanical adding machine back in 1642. In 1671, Gottfried Wilhelm von Leibniz, philosopher and mathematician, devised a machine that could add, subtract, multiply, and divide. Leibniz was also the first to point out the importance of the binary system, a system of notation that is extensively employed in modern computing devices. Jacquard was a Frenchman who, in the early 19th century, invented a device that employed punched cards to control the operation of a loom. The Jacquard loom, which was very successful commercially, had a significant influence on Babbage's thinking. It may also have influenced Herman Hollerith, an American who, in the late 19th century, adapted punch cards for use in Census Bureau tabulations. The principal credit for the development of the modern computer must therefore be divided among several men. Though each of the men mentioned here made a significant contribution, no one of them stands out clearly above the others. Neither Babbage, therefore, nor any of the others seem quite worthy of inclusion in the main section of this book.